The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that everyone get tested for HIV at least once as part of their routine health care. Despite these recommendations, many people don't know their HIV status. Brad McEllier, the Director of Specialty Health Solutions at Walgreens, is with us tonight to tell us how to get free, fast, and confidential HIV testing tomorrow. Hey, Brad, how are you?
Hi, doing well. Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about National HIV Testing Day.
Yeah, National HIV Testing Day is really an effort to put a spotlight on the importance of HIV testing. Since 2011, Walgreens has partnered with Greater Than HIV in order to provide free HIV tests in many of our locations. This year is no exception. So we'll have community-based organizations as well as health departments in our stores to be able to provide the free rapid testing so that folks can know their HIV status. Additionally, this year, we have added free syphilis as well as hepatitis C testing due to the recent rise in sexually transmitted infections. And so our testing partners will be able to provide those services as well.
Why is this so important?
You know, you had mentioned CDC's recommendation. The CDC does recommend that everyone between the ages of 13 and 64 receives an HIV test at some point as part of routine health care. Certain individuals that may be at higher risk of acquiring HIV may need some more frequent testing. They do this, in my opinion, because 1 in 8 individuals living with HIV still does not know their status. So upwards of 13% of the population living with HIV does not know their status. And so understanding status is a critical first step for HIV treatment as well as HIV prevention. We have all of the tools and resources, in my opinion, to be able to end the HIV epidemic, but it starts with knowing one's HIV status.
Sure, and I think information is so important, and I think we're getting better as a society to know that we need this information. But the question that some people might have is, what does this test involve? How hard is it, and how long is it going to take?
Yeah, I think it's a great question. We'll have the testing partners available on hand to be able to provide any of the information around HIV testing, that's experience, as well as the sexually transmitted infection testing that I mentioned previously as well. We'll be able to take individuals to a private health room to provide the free confidential tests. Generally speaking, individuals can know their results within about 20 minutes. Wow. And then we'll be able to talk to them about the best next steps, whether it's linking individuals to treatment or to talk to them about prevention options, including pre-exposure prophylaxis, also known as PrEP, which is the HIV prevention medication. All of that's available on National HIV Testing Day again this year, just as like it's been since 2011.
Yeah. Where can we go to get some more information on all of this?
More information at greaterthan.org. You can find information about participating locations as well as hours of location, including treatment and prevention options as well.
Great. Well, Brad, thank you so much for giving us all of this info tonight.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for having me.
We'll be right back with Sweet Lenny and Lil Zim from Q98.5. They're giving you a chance to win Country Thunder tickets. You don't want to miss this.